안녕하세요 everyone. Hanglish 쌤입니다. So we are continuing chapter 1, greeting. Today is the second class. Let's go. Okay, vocabulary for today. Spirit, mental. 정신, 정신. Part-time job. 아르바이트, 아르바이트. This doesn't sound like Korean. I think it's actually from German. And a lot of Korean often use its shorter version of this. 알바, 알바. Tough. 힘들다, 힘들다. busy, 바쁘다, 바쁘다. tired, 피곤하다, 피곤하다. exam, 시험, 시험. fun, 재미있다, 재미있다. no fun, 재미없다, 재미없다. having fun, 즐겁다, 즐겁다. right? 그렇다, 그렇다. this time, 2번, 2번. So these are useful expressions you can use as they are. 정신이 없어요. So if you look at this, 정신, spirit, mental. 없어요. It's speaking form of 없다. So when you see spirit, there isn't, or don't have spirit. This expression is used in Korean as when you're overwhelmed or when you are crazy busy. 정신이 없어요. So it's like you're too overwhelmed or you're too crazily busy, so you don't have your mental. 그저 그래요. 그저 그래요. So, it's fine. It's alright. 좀 바빠요. 좀 바빠요. Little bit busy. So, 좀, this one is a very useful word. 좀 is a shorter version of 조금, which means little. But this 좀 is used very widely among Koreans. It's not necessarily meaning little. So, for example, if you want some water, if you want to have water in the restaurant, 주세요 is please give. 물 is water. Koreans will not say 물 주세요, and they will go by 물 좀 주세요. The reason that they're adding little 좀 there is for Koreans' perspective. If you say 물 주세요, it sounds like even though you're saying please, it's very demanding. So when you add 좀, 물 좀 주세요, please give me some water. It's like mitigating your demand. So for that reason, if you're watching K-drama or anything, 좀, you will hear that a lot. Next, 시간이, this should have been written in speaking form. 시간이 있어요. 시간이 있어요. I have time. Okay? So grammar of today is 그런데. 그런데. You can simply memorize 그런데 as but. The key point you need to know is it comes after a complete sentence and it indicates the following is the different than the previous. So let's see an example. 요즘 많이 바빠요. Meaning lately, a lot busy. So are you very busy lately? 네, 이번 주는 좀 바빠요. Yes, 이번 주 means 이번 주, this week는 좀 little 바빠요, busy. Yes, I'm a little busy this week. 그런데, but 다음 주는 시간이 있어요. Next week는 time이 있어요. I have time next week. Okay. 어떻게 지내요? 어떻게, how, 지내요, spend time. So, in a way, 어떻게 지내요? How have you been? How are you doing? 학교에서 공부하고 아르바이트도 해요. 학교에서, school에서 공부하고 study and 아르바이트 part-time job도 also 해요. do. So I study at school and also do part-time job, right? 그런데 but 이번 주에 시험이 있어요. 이번 주 this week에 시험 exam이 있어요. I have exam this week. 그래서 좀 힘들어요. Remember the first part? 그래서 so little tough. So 학교에서 공부하고 아르바이트도 해요. I study at school and also do part-time job. 그런데 이번 주에 시험이 있어요. But I have an exam this week. 그래서 좀 힘들어요. So a little bit tough. Okay, so let's do some practice. How are you doing? We just saw it, right? 어떻게 지내요? 어떻게 지내요? Today is busy, but tomorrow is not busy. Today, 오늘. So, 오늘은 바빠요. 그런데, but, 내일은, tomorrow, 내일은 안 바빠요. 오늘은 바빠요. 그런데 내일은 안 바빠요. I have an exam tomorrow, but I watch a movie. So, I have an exam tomorrow. 내일 시험이 있어요. 그런데 영화를 봐요. 내일 시험이 있어요. 그런데 영화를 봐요. Studying Korean is fun, but it is a little tough. 한국어 공부는 재밌어요. 그런데, but, 좀 힘들어요. 한국어 공부는 재미있어요. 그런데 좀 힘들어요. Right? Next one. Exercising is fun, but it is a little tough. I hope you remember exercise. 운동은 재밌어요. 그런데, but, 좀 힘들어요. 운동은 재미있어요. 그런데 좀 힘들어요. Okay, everyone's favorite, pizza. Pizza is delicious, but pasta is so-so. For all the pasta lovers, I'm sorry, I just made it up. It's not my real preference, okay? So, so-so was from the useful expression 그저 그래요. 그저 그래요. Those are useful. You just want to memorize as is when you want to say it's so-so, 그저 그래요, right? So, let's use that. 피자는 맛있어요. 그런데, but, 파스타는 그저 그래요. 피자는 맛있어요. 그런데, 파스타는 그저 그래요. Good job, guys. So as a review, let's speak in Korean with using 그런데 in between two sentences. So you probably need to state something, then 그런데, and something opposite after. All right? Thank you again for studying with me. If you find this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and please do your review. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll see you in next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.